The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Need for the Knowledge of Multiplication Tables for Single Digit Numbers. In addition and subtraction, using Abacus, we take one column at a time and use two numbers for the purpose of calculation. In both addition and subtraction problems, the concepts of adding and subtracting are intermingled, and that is why we mentioned that these two concepts can be taught simultaneously. In abacus multiplication and division, the concept of multiplication is very much involved. Take for example 47 multiplied by 63. In this problem, the abacus multiplication is done in 4 stages. The first one is multiplication of 3 and 4. The second stage multiplication involves 3 and 7. In the third stage, we multiply 6 and 4. And in the fourth stage, we multiply 6 and 7. In early days of mathematics learning, the child is taught that multiplication is a rapid form of addition. 2 multiplied by 4 is nothing but adding 2 4 times. And we used beads to develop the concept. When the child gets into higher classes, knowing multiplication tables by heart will facilitate to a great extent in doing problems in multiplication as well as division. When we say multiplication tables, one should not expect the memory of tables for higher numbers. For example, the multiplication of table of 6 goes up to 100. That is 6 multiplied by 1 to 6 multiplied by 99 and so on. But for doing abacus operations, memory of the multiplication tables for single digit numbers will suffice. Take for example 7. It will be good if the child knows by heart 7 by 2 equals 14. 7 by 3 equals 21. 7 by 4 equals 28. 7 by 5 equals 35. 7 by 6 equals 42. 7 by 7 equals 49. 7 by 8 equals 56, and 7 multiplied by 9 equals 63. Memory of multiplication tables beyond 11 may be desirable but not essential for mathematical operations, as calculations involve mostly single digit multiplication irrespective of the magnitude of the number. This knowledge is necessary for division problems too. When we say 24 divided by 6 equals 4, the child should understand that the multiplication of the quotient 4 with the divisor 6 gives the value of the number, and therefore for doing division problems too, multiplication tables are used. Generally, children develop the knowledge of multiplication tables for the single digit numbers by the time they get into higher classes of the primary level. However, abacus teaching should not take this for granted and should ensure that children acquire the knowledge of the multiplication tables for single digit numbers to make the abacus learning effective. Do we call this a requirement? Teachers should not consider this as an absolute prerequisite which may delay the learning of abacus operations. but teachers can develop the knowledge of multiplication tables along with the teaching of abacus multiplication.